Good morning, everyone. I am coming to you from a cloudy morning here in Binyan, Laguna. I am expecting the sun to start peeking through those clouds shortly. Maybe in just 15, 20 more minutes, who knows? I am yours truly, Uncle Justin. Today, I am going to go for my morning walk, check out what is going on in the neighborhood, and I have been craving some Filipino foods. Maybe I'll hit that up here in a few minutes. Well, as I go to start my morning walk, I am greeted by a famous face. What's up, buddy? I call this guy Dobby because he reminds me of some monster, like a house monster or something like that on one of the Harry Potter shows. I'm sorry, I'm not much of a fan, but I guess he was like a house monster until Harry Potter freed him or something. And this dog reminds me of that creature, so I named him Dobby. I like to walk because I see things that normally I would miss when driving by. Right there, it's another one of our neighborhood Oso. Doesn't have a name. He is a good looking dog. And just as I turn the corner, I got another shaggy looking Oso napping this morning right there. Looked like you dug yourself a hole, buddy. You comfortable? It's like, yeah, now leave me alone, Uncle Justin. I'm in already hard at work this morning, finishing out this house. It's kind of cool seeing where it starts, how it's built, and then how it'll be finished. Yeah. So I'm walking past this lot and I have no idea what it is, so I think I'm gonna let curiosity get the best of me and come on through. It says that this place is property of the homeowners association, so who knows. Holy cow, look at all that. Gin bottles, San Mig bottles, Red Horse bottles. That's a lot of bottles. I'm not sure what's in there. Maybe the HOA just uses it for storage. Well, somebody's fancy shoes. Huh. Let's see. Not as many bottles over here. Still some. Oh my gosh, look. One of these old well pumps. Ever so often you run across these and some of them actually work. Some people will actually go and get water for their laundry and stuff like that out of pumps like this. Now, I haven't seen it in the neighborhood that we live in, but like one of the barangays where my family is, they've got one. And you'll see people up there pumping the water out for whatever basic need they have. Not really for drinking, but for cleaning. Oh my gosh, there he goes. My dinner. My dinner is getting away. Got a manok on the loose. And what do my eyes see? Our first pusa of the day. Hello. There he is. Hi, pusa. Oh, it's like, don't trust you, I'm out of here. Oh my goodness. And just a little bit further down the road, we found this guy. This guy actually looks like my neighbor's dog, Purple. I'm not sure if that's Purple or not, but it looks kind of like him. What are you doing? Oh, lovely. Thank you. Hi, Purple. Is that you? Don't know. He looks really healthy, so my guess is he is somebody's pet that's just out for a morning walk. And another pusa. Hey, girl. Hi. Yeah. Good morning. Well, I'm sure that you could tell from this walk that we do have a lot of street animals, and that is common not just in our neighborhood, but pretty much everywhere. We're fortunate in that the majority of our street animals don't really cause problems. Sometimes at night they get all happy and start barking. You know, sometimes the cats will root through your garbage, but generally speaking, no problems. And this right over here is a house/hardware store, and I've got to give a big shout out to the gentleman that runs the hardware store. He keeps a lot of stuff that is commonly needed. He stays open to 6, and he's very nice and has fair prices. So I am very happy to have NPCC hardware here in our neighborhood. So here, if you want to warn drivers or pedestrians of impending danger, you don't use cones, you just use old Mountain Dew bottles. String them together, everybody will see that green, no worries. Over here, we've got another house under construction. Looks almost like a townhouse. 2 floors. Wow. And directly across from them, more construction. Good morning, maganda umaga. Good morning. Oh yes. Hi. So wow, we got definitely got a lot of construction going on around here. Oh. Hey, what's up, man? Got quite a bit of dirt and sand and gravel. That gentleman's down there in the hole. See a couple of ossos. I see his head bobbing around right there. Yep. Doing his work. Got his dog watching over him. And right here, more heroes of the Philippines. These are our city trash collectors. And man, they take care of everything. These guys work hard. What's up, man?
This is a garbage collector, Pinyan.
All right.
Shout out, shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to my girlfriend.
What's her name?
Paul, Fish Paul.
All right.
Handsome.
Yes.
You're a vlogger?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
God bless.
God bless you guys. Thank you.
Solid waste, solid waste.
You got it.
Garbage collector.
Those are some guys who love their work. Definitely appreciate all that they do for us. They help keep our streets clean, of course get rid of all that garbage, and we really appreciate their hard work. Well, I know this isn't exciting to everybody, but behind me is a popular local store called Giselle's. It's like a small grocery store. I've been there once before and showed y'all some prices. For the longest time now, like almost 3 years, I've been trying to find out who their grocery supplier is. It has driven me nuts. I have tried to ask people and they didn't understand me, or maybe they didn't want to answer. Finally, as I was walking past, I noticed one of the ladies from the store holding a clipboard, and right there in big letters was the name of their supplier. So I'm going to pass that information on to Lonnie. We had talked about trying to diversify some. Right now is not the time, but the more more information we collect, the better it will be. So yeah, red letter day for Uncle Justin. And that place right there, kind of hard to see. Oh my golly, look at that. Dragging that metal. No warning signs on it, no flags. Anyhow, that place right there, that is my barber shop. Yesterday, I had the pleasure of going to the barber shop. He is 80 pesos for Gupit Bohawk. Haircut, cut hair, so haircut. Pretty awesome. I remember it used to be that it was common to find places that were like 50 pesos for a haircut, but sadly those days have passed, at least around this area. But 80 pesos and you get a really good haircut. And here I am about to try to navigate and cross the crazy intersection. Heavy traffic. Lots of stuff going on down there. Let's see. Hello! Will I get a break? The key is try to make it halfway across. Try. Oh, salamat. Thank you. Oh, I got lucky. They both stopped to let me through. I really appreciate that. And as you can see, this is quite the crazy intersection. Oh, excuse me. Lots of cars coming from all sorts of directions. We got our police station over here. We've got a school over here. And so traffic can really get out of hand during those early morning and afternoon rush hours. I am approaching the edge of our fair city. The edge of Binyan, the city of life. Carmona right there at the bridge, and I am smelling something wonderful. What I am after. Legendary. Ah, there it says it, legendary. Come on over here and look. The legendary Pares Umami. Oh yeah. And there is our menu. Man, and there it is. Pares, the soup, and some rice. And this Pares, it's a Filipino beef soup. You can see it's pretty thick. And let's test it out and see how it is. Steaming hot. Very good. A nice beefy flavor. The texture is good. I like the thickness. A+. Over here on the side of the table, they've got all sorts of different toppings. Not sure what that is. Looks like onion. Not sure. That looks like a vinegar with spicy in it. And of course you got soy sauce. This stuff is so good. So some nice garlic rice. There. Oh yeah, that's how they do it right there. Alright, so I'm going to try this spicy vinegar. Yep. Stir it up a little. Oh yeah, got some chilies in there, some garlic, all sorts of stuff. Don't know if you can see it, but there's the chili. Of course, the garlic and spice mixture all in that rice. For someone who enjoys these kind of chilies, delicious. Well, I've got to put out a really big, oh my goodness, that was so delicious. I am so happy that this place is open 24 hours too, because sometimes I can't sleep at night. And usually I'll go and get a donut, but now that I know I've got an option for some pares, I think I would prefer pares. Just, man, that was so tasty. It was good. All right, we got some guys up here. Let's say hi to them. There they are, hiding back there. What's up? You got a shout out? Awesome. All right, you guys have a good day. All right. Push here on the side of the road. I'll try to angle it so you can kind of see. Oh, put it on a wide lens too. Got some food. Little sorry right there. What is this? This is lugal, another type of soup. Of course, we've got a sorry. And right here, another one of the world famous pusas from the Philippines. Hi, sweetie. You look like you belong to somebody. Hi. Alright. So pretty. Meow. Then over here, like a clothes store, a screen door store, which we actually need a new screen door. And then we come back on around to here, to Mr. Crazy intersection. And what do my eyes see? Right out here, outside of Lonnie's Pharmacy 1, looks like the landlord's got somebody painting. Alright. I think that would look much better with a nice, clean, fresh coat of paint up there. I like that. Yeah, definitely looks cleaner than it used to. So happy about that.